Hi, today we're going to be looking at commenting and printing to the console. So whenever you're writing code, every now and then you want to make some comments for yourself in the future or for someone else that you're working with. So there's a few ways to comment. The first one is single line comments, and you do this by simply doing 2 forward slashes. And you could write a comment here. You can write a comment here, and the compiler will not look at this code at all. It'll just totally ignore it. This is just for you, and essentially you could write anything you want. Okay. Another way you could do it is you could actually have multi-line single comments. So let me just type in a few things here. Here is something I'm going to type, and this is another line, and here is another line. Now, of course, the compiler is looking at this and it thinks this is code. I could go ahead and single line comment every single one of them. So, I'm commenting multiple lines, but if you want to do this quick, select all of them and on your keyboard hit Command / and it'll comment all the lines. And you see that it even commented this line because I was selecting all of them. To uncomment all these lines, you go Command / again, and it will uncomment all of them. So this is one-line comments, and obviously you could do multiple lines at a time. Another way of commenting is actually doing a multi-line comment, and to do this is we go / and */ and now anything inside of here will be fully commented, and I could go on forever and ever and ever and ever. So anything between the / and * will be comments, and it will be ignored. So everything in here will be ignored. So this is a multi-line comment. The other thing that I want to show you in this video is printing to the console. So if I created a variable and we said, this is my name, and this is the name of the variable, and it's of type string, and we're going to give it a value of, let's call it, Mark. Okay. If I were to wanted to see the value of that string, all I have to do is use the print function, which is print with a lowercase p, open parentheses, and give it the value, the variable name. This is my name. And you will see here at the bottom, it should run and it should say print. There we go, it printed Mark. If I were to create another variable, var my number, and give it a value of 12.5, and I were to print my number, it should now print both Mark and 12.5. There you go, Mark and 12.5. And this is really important because whenever you're coding, you really want to know if what you've coded in actually happened, and the print function is one of those ways to really make sure that what you're thinking and what you've done actually has worked as you have planned it to work. All right, thank you for watching.